Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Optimism cryptocurrency, which is about to survive the current market conditions. It has a nice movement in the last 7 days, and it definitely wants to get back in its normal and usual behavior of bullishness. We gotta find out if the BTC allows this whole altcoin market to pretty much establish itself during a summer period, which is usually slow. Let's talk about Optimism in the next couple of minutes. Daily candlesticks is what we're looking at, with a beautiful reaction so far. The only problem is that such reactions without sustainable market structures are pretty much lack of substance. What we need is a clear breakout of the downtrending channel resistance line. This is a channel right now that we have been fighting with. It is a line that's been surviving for 128 days, and it is quite radical in terms of percentage, guys. Let me just measure the whole movement here. We're actually talking about a retracement for Optimism consisting 75%, which is definitely not a joke. On a 2x leverage, that's 150% on your margin, and that's quite a lot. So no surprise that we were not able to hold the $2 mark when you have dumped so quickly into $2 and BTC still had room to decrease. Obviously, people got out of their positions in massive losses. Usually, this kind of candlesticks and market structures are indicating that people get out of their positions in massive losses, especially the ones that got into at this levels. They were suffering big time, probably no longer resisting holding onto their stuff. What's happening further? Well, a breakout is absolutely needed. Whatever movement you might want to do in this end of the triangle here, you gotta force through the breakout with the first targets above the $2 mark. There is a supply zone right here. I just want to make sure that we are pretty much having the capacity to break out of the supply zone and get in contact with a 200 days average line. That's a moving average line that is usually consisting a very strong bearish pressure at a time you're trading below that. So we need from this crypto market to settle down, to pretty much slow things around and consistently build our structures by moving slowly. We no longer need at the moment a reaction like this, which will generate a reverse reaction back to the original levels. At the moment, we need a market structure to be built pretty much constantly in a compounding manner with price actions that are sustainable. So this is the first target around the supply here in contact with a 200 days moving average. If we successfully break above that, you are going to target your $3 mark. At the $3, there's a lot of the people that will get out. It's from here about 100% already on their package, already on their position, and this is a position people will buy Optimism because it is about to break out. So they will enjoy a breakout, riding the movement till $3 on a micro altcoin rally, and then simply just getting out of it. It's not going to be an easy job holding on to the $2 mark from there, right? There's big chances to fall below the $2 afterwards, and trying to hold it on the levels to push for the $3.6, $3.8 golden pocket. That's where the big deal appears. If you successfully get over there, we're pretty much building a healthy market structure. But in order to achieve that, we need on a reversal point our $2, $2.2 to hold, right? So the first market structure, we need that to hold it. Of course, before you discuss about that, you got to reach your $3 mark. The current situation is always opening the eyes and the doors for discussions of possible candlestick retests around this levels, right? So I would not exclude that chance. It's a lot down to what BTC does these days. It's a lot down to that. You don't get to see right now altcoins behaving different than the BTC. We're not in that season, and the expectations should be set accordingly with that. So first of all, before we talk about any other actions, Bitcoin is very important in this market cycle for July's price action. It is about to break out, but you need BTC to help you perform that. You're not going to be able to do it alone at all. Enjoy, guys. This is pretty much all about it. That's where we are at the moment. definitely not too much enthusiasm, I would say. Yeah, once we clear the levels we're talking about, there's gonna be more on the table, and even riding through the movements of clearing these levels is something that could be exciting. The thing is that the impulse and the swing is missing for the moment. This is something that BTC could offer us, especially with a movement between 3 to 5% on that side. This kind of altcoins will have the capability to print double digits. Again, folks, that's all. Enjoy, like the video, subscribe, and for those of you that care about education and would like to become professional traders, whether we talk about part-time or full-time, this is my one-on-one coaching program I perform out of passion. Between 4 to 6 weeks, I'll teach you how to trade on Zoom live conversations. You can register now for a free conversation where I can explain you how does it work and what is all about it. And you can also check out a page that describes it as well, including the ability to participate in my trading journey without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. I talk about it quite a lot on my page, but you can also see my live trades. Recently, we started doing these episodes of live trading and we're running quite smoothly with that. Enjoy, guys. Have a good momentum out there, and we talk to you soon. All the links are in the description area and comments area. Have a good time.